sasho ke befika la kwaku-August ngonyaka ophelile sobamukela lapha edolobheni. Babesanqoba ke umdlalo wabo ne-TX Galaxy and la sajabula khona ukuthi ngathi unyawo niza ngalo uma niqhubeka ngalo lizosilethela indebe lapha eThekwini. Lento siyenzela abantu balapha edolobheni laseThekwini and we must feel part of this victory. Siyabonga kakhulu.
From our chairman, Mr. Kadodia, the club management, the sponsors, partners, the players, technical team, supporters, and everyone involved in the team. We are grateful for such a gesture, and we are feeling at home. We are at home. We promise the city that a lot is still coming.
Anginamazwi amaningi, kepha bengithanda ukubonga ngawo wonke umuntu ofike namhlanje lokuthi si-invite sikwazi ukubungaza lo suku ngoba sikwazi ukubuya eNedbank. Ngawuthi kuthina ngijakethi kusho okulikhulu kakhulu namhlanje kuzivezela kakhulu noma ngasikho namhlanje kuphela phasi ngosuku lolu sasinqobe ngale indebe kuzivezela ukuthi kuningi okungenziwa i-team encane noma bengasithi mhlawumbe enye i-team ezayo engakhona ukuthi ikwenze.